So another year, another day, another ride, another interesting place that we are going to explore today. So not going to be a long ride, but it's been a while. Like ever since the year started, I haven't actually been anywhere. Uh, so I just wanted to get back into the groove that I was doing before. So here we are. So winters are almost over. We can almost feel that the summer season is almost here. Like after around 10, 11, started feeling that heat. So it's only around 7:40 and it's already full of traffic. People who are working on Saturdays, they have already started going to work. So today I'm not sure like where exactly to go. I'm just since the last few weeks I've been wanting to go somewhere without a proper planning or any proper destination as such. So let's see, like if I feel that I want to go here, I'll stop somewhere and go there. I guess I कुछ fixed destination तो नहीं है मन में. I'll just go randomly wherever I feel like going or wherever Marcos is going to take me. इधर देख भाई, उधर देखता है. Left, right, always you should check your left and right before crossing, not just only your क्या ही बोलूं, traffic sense, traffic literacy. It's like बकवास. Wherever you go in India, not just the city but throughout India. This is a new shortcut. Like new, not just short. It's not a shortcut, but it's a new way, a road that they have built recently. Who is honking this much? I mean, what is he getting out of it? I hope I don't get the standstill traffic after Fountain Hotel in Mira Road, because I've been to that side. I haven't been to that side since a long time. I have no idea that why that guy was taking his child or kid. Why is he honking so much? Like, what is he trying to prove? Like, कोई उसका आगे कोई है ही नहीं. Everybody is moving. Oh God. The sun is out, surprisingly. I mean, there's nothing much to surprise because to be surprised because it's morning, so sun should be out, right? Unless it's monsoon or winter. But yeah. देखते हैं, depending on the traffic, I might take a call whether to go ahead somewhere or do a super short ride or just take a U-turn and come back. Just wanted to thoda I just wanted to throttle up on the highway. That's why I really needed a break from all the chaos that's happening. Traffic leak. I'm just being a fool because I'm stopping at the traffic. Everybody's like going messy. Nothing is going to change. No matter how many years it takes, the mentality of the people are going to stay the same. So I'm planning to do a long ride probably next month because I think we have a long weekend towards the Holi festival. So let's see, not yet decided where, what, how, but अगर everything goes well हम लोग निकल पड़ेंगे बिकॉज अभी तो वो भूत चढ़ गया है मुझे लॉन्ग राइड्स की आफ्टर द साउथ इंडिया राइड सो इवन मार्कोस फील्स दैट अरे ये छोटे मोटे राइड्स उससे वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता है तो लेट्स कीप डूइंग लॉन्ग राइड्स सो लेट्स सी फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड The weather should stay like this, like 25, मतलब 30 के नीचे, and it's little pleasant also because of that. तो राइड करने में भी मज़ा आता है. Like you won't feel tired at all. You can keep munching miles on and on. By the way, there's a tough new entrant. I mean, I won't say it's a new entrant, but KTM has launched their 390 Adventure in India officially. So it's going to give a tough competition to the Himalayan 450. And the 450 market is getting more and more, trendy and in demand because a lot of 450, bikes are going to come to the Indian market in the coming months. So, but कुछ भी हो, Himalayan and Royal Enfield, it's always going to be on top, no matter what bikes and whatever competition they, end up facing with. But yeah, KTM this time they have, kind of impressed me. I'm not a KTM lover, but when it comes to the design of the new KTM 390. Adventure 390 and the specifications, the features they are giving compared to Himalayan, it's like more than one step ahead. So the reviews are not yet out, but let's see. I follow like a couple of genuine reviewers, not those who don't, those who does it from a motorcycling point of view and not from a money making or marketing point of view. So looking forward to their review because they have already done the ride in Goa. You see the comparison between 450 Himalayan and the new Adventure 390. And maybe if I feel, I might even go and do a test ride when it's available, just to get the feel of it, just to know like what exactly is KTM is all about. And I've never ridden a KTM 390, even the previous one. I've never did a test ride also. But then I've never been that attracted to the KTM brand as such. Might be because of the Chapri tag it has, but yeah, I mean, they're all out. Itni jaldi. So yeah, KTM 390 Adventure. Then Aprilia has launched their 210. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the 210 450. And I've heard that Triumph is, planning to launch a Tiger in the 450 segment and also an updated version of the Scrambler 440. Then even Java is like testing an adventure version, I guess. I mean, that might be a rumor, but never know. सो ऐसा कुछ दिखाने लायक अभी कुछ है ही नहीं. इट्स जस्ट द सेम ओल्ड हाईवे टूवर्ड्स मीरा रोड. तो ट्रैफिक ही रहेगा. सो आई कैन ऑल्सो सेव माई बैटरी. बस मैं 4K में पकड़ रहा हूँ अभी जो भी है. सो बैटरी भी बच जाएगा. तो आई विल सी यू विथ समथिंग गुड टू शो.